Hi guys, I'm Sushmita and welcome back to my channel. So I hope you're all doing great and staying safe at home. So it's lockdown time and all the salons, parlors and home care services are closed. So today I'm going to share with you my updated facial hair removal routine. So let's get started. So this is the condition of my skin right now. I've got big 2 acne and I've got facial hair as well. So from past few weeks I've been breaking out and I got a lot of acne on my skin. So I've been consistent of my skincare routine and also followed this routine as so after following this routine my facial hair has been reduced, but from past few days I haven't shaved my hair, so I thought let me do a video with this. So the first update is that I followed this routine during night time because our skin turned out to be in repair mode during night time only. So whatever the post care routine you're following to your skin after this shaving routine, it will give a better result and it will be long lasting as. So firstly we'll start with the pre-care routine because this is the most important step to prepare our skin for the next step, that is the shaving process. So for the pre-care routine, firstly I'm using the face wash to remove all the dirt and gunk from my skin. So for this I used Forest Essential face wash. It is really mild and gentle face wash and it has no paraben and silicone free face wash as well. So I gently massaged my face and neck and washed my face with lukewarm water. So the next step will be exfoliating. So here I am using the Himalayan Neem Scrub. As I noticed, Himalayan Neem Scrub works great on my skin. As you noticed, it has small granules in it. When you apply to your skin, it will remove all the dead skin cells from your skin. So gently exfoliate all over your skin and don't take it too hard. Just exfoliate in circular motion and don't forget your neck area as well. It also helps to remove all the dead skin cells from your skin and keeps your skin really clean, and also helps with the next process, that is shaving process. So after scrubbing I'll wash my face and pat dry my face using towel. So I won't allow it to dry it completely. I'll just wait for a few minutes so my skin looks a bit hydrated as well. So my skin is ready for the next step. So make sure that your hands are clean and not wet for the next step, that is face shaving routine. So this is the razor I'm using from Nova and this I bought from Amazon before the lockdown. So first I'll be shaving my cheek area from where the hair growth occurs and I'll be taking it downwards as well. Here you can see the benefit of the pre-care routine because it has removed all the dead skin cells from our skin and your hair has become smoother too. So post skincare routine is also one of the most important steps. So here I am using Pixie Rose Tonic and Kama Ayurveda Rose Water Toner. This both works so great on my skin. So whenever you are applying toner, make sure that it's alcoholic free toner. It should be completely alcoholic free toner, okay? So I'll just apply it on using my fingers and gently massage it. So toner helps you to maintain your pH balance and also keeps your skin very calm. So next I'm using essential oil. You can also use serum. So this is from Nykaa brand and I really like this brand. So gently massage it all over your face while we are applying serum because to avoid all the damages from our skin, we have exfoliated, scrubbed and also shaved our face to avoid all the acne and scalp from our skin. So this essential oil also nourishes my skin as well. So lastly I'll moisturize my skin to lock up all the benefit of the essential oil that I applied because this is the most important step to moisturize our skin. So whatever it is, don't forget to moisturize your skin. So here I'm using from Face Shop the Rice Cream Moisturizer and it is the best underrated range product you can try. And it also suits for all skin types. So here I applied all over my skin and gently massage it. So here we completed with our shaving routine, post-care, skincare routine. So I hope this video was very useful for you guys and I hope you liked it. So that was it for my today's video guys. This is the dry shaving routine I follow every time. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this, please hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button as well. So I'll be catching you guys in next video. Until then, take care. Bye.